him, you know, from the storm that has decided to take off. Ooh, got a nice one out of that. Ooh, wow. Taking a few things with it there. So, it's also very, very windy right now. You hear that too. I'll scan over to the main part of the river. I think I'll zoom in on this. It's a tree that has gotten lodged behind our house, and it's causing a little bit of a rapid. There's a fair mouse coming by. Just to let you see how we are in relation to this. I'll scan over this way. And a little further. That's our backyard again. And that's our back patio in the back of the house. So, time for a lot of fun here. The water is still going up. I don't know how far.